Are your goals slipping through your fingers? Let's dive into it. Setting goals is a crucial step in personal development, yet many of us hit the same pitfalls over and over.
Mistake number 1, vague goals. I want to be healthier sounds good, but without specifics, it's just a wish. Number 2, unrealistic timelines. Expecting overnight success. It takes time, patience, and persistence. Thirdly, the trap of perfectionism. Waiting for the perfect moment can often lead to missed opportunities. And lastly, not tracking progress. No reviews mean no improvements. Precision, realism, and consistency are your keys to success. Revamp your goals starting today. Imagine a life where stress melts away and calmness reigns. Unlock your healing potential with proven techniques for stress relief and natural wellness. Dive into the soothing world of body and mind therapy as we guide you through exercises designed to harmonize your mind, body, and soul. Watch as energy flows and tensions release in these serene visuals of relaxation and energy healing. Feel the tranquility of meditation and the rejuvenation it brings. Discover the transformative power of natural wellness practices. Gain the essential tools you need for holistic well-being and personal growth. Join Marta Pyrchala's specialized courses today.